Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you step by step on how to activate your Ko-fi Creator account, making it easy for you to accept donations from your supporters. Let's dive in. Step 1. Sign up for Ko-fi. First, you need to visit the Ko-fi website at www.kofi.com. Click on the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. You can sign up using your email address or through your existing social media accounts, such as Facebook or Twitter. Fill in the required information and create your account. Step 2. Choose your account type. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to choose between a free account or a Ko-fi Gold account. If you want additional features like the ability to offer subscriptions and custom goals, consider opting for Ko-fi Gold. For now, you can start with the free option and upgrade later if needed. Step 3. Customize your profile. After selecting your account type, it's time to personalize your profile. Click on the Profile section in your dashboard, upload a profile picture, add a bio, and customize your username. Make sure to express your creativity and let your audience know what you do. Step 4. Set up payment options. Next, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you will need to set up your payment options. Ko-fi offers PayPal as the primary method for receiving donations. Click on the Links tab and connect your PayPal account by following the on-screen prompts. Ensure that your PayPal account is verified to avoid any issues with receiving donations. Step 5. Create a donation button. Now that your payment options are set, it's time to create your donation button. In your Ko-fi dashboard, go to the Widget section. Here, you can customize your button's appearance, text, and size. Once you're satisfied with the design, copy the provided code to embed the button on your website or share the link directly on your social media platforms. Step 6. Promote your Ko-fi page. To start receiving donations, you need to promote your Ko-fi page. Share the link with your audience through your social media accounts, website, or any other platforms where you engage with your followers. Consider offering exclusive content or rewards to incentivize donations. Step 7. Engage with your supporters. Once you start receiving donations, make sure to thank your supporters and keep them updated on your projects. Building a strong relationship with your audience will encourage them to continue supporting your work. That's it. You've successfully activated your Ko-fi Creator account and are all set to accept donations with ease. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.